Everybody, how's it going? I'm Wes, and today I'm going to do an unusual video, one that I really never thought I would be doing, but with all of the hype and all of the craziness going on with fidget spinners, I thought we would go ahead and shoot a video about a fidget spinner. I don't know why they're so entertaining. But my grandkids love these things, and I'm going to go ahead and make one out of my grandson's 3D printer pen today, and he's going to help me. Actually, he's also got a YouTube channel, and so we're both going to be putting this video on our channels. Anyways, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and if you have any questions about how I made this little fidget spinner or why I made this fidget spinner, be sure to list those in the comment sections down below. This is going to be a time-lapse video, obviously, because this took quite a while, but as you can see, it works pretty good, and me and my grandson had a great time making this today.